If you're 65 years or better and have owned your home in Boulder County for more than 10 years, you may be able to save on your property taxes. Each year, the Colorado Legislature considers whether to approve and extend the Senior Homestead Property Tax Exemption. In years when the senior tax exemption has been approved, the Boulder County Assessor's Office helps reach out to qualifying seniors to assist them in taking advantage of this tax savings. To apply, just be sure to complete an application between January 1st and July 15th. By law, our office cannot accept applications before January 1st or after July 15th, so please contact us as early in the year as possible to get started. If approved, your exemption will go into effect for the following year's payment on property taxes. With the senior tax exemption, 50% of the first $200,000 in actual value of a senior citizen's primary residence is exempted from the total taxable value for a maximum exemption amount of $100,000 in actual value. To qualify for the senior tax exemption, one member of the residential deeded property must have turned 65 on or before January 1st of the current year. The qualifying senior must occupy the property as his or her primary residence and be the owner of record for at least the past 10 consecutive years prior to January 1st of the tax year. Here's an example of how the senior exemption works. Let's assume you have a home that was assessed an actual value of $500,000 by the county assessor. To determine the tax on this property, a factor is applied to the actual value to obtain an assessed value. That factor is now 7.2%, meaning the assessed value on a $500,000 home without the senior exemption would be $36,000. A tax rate, also called the mill levy, is then applied to the assessed value to determine the tax. Assuming the tax rate for this property is 8%, the resulting tax would be $2,880. Now, if the senior tax exemption is applied, the actual value would be reduced by $100,000 down to $400,000. The assessed value would go down to $28,800, and the tax would go down to $2,304. That results in a savings of $576. Now that you know more about the senior exemption, please contact our office between January 1st and July 15th if you think you may want to apply for the exemption. Once you're approved, and as long as you don't sell your property or move, you remain enrolled in the exemption program for each consecutive year. Please contact us by website, email, or phone at bouldercountySeniorExemption.org or assessor@bouldercounty.org or 303-441-3530.